Your 321 Strong Solid Core Foam Roller uses patented technology to deliver a therapeutic massage just like you'd get from the therapist, but in the comfort of your own home. Its 3 unique massage zones replicate the thumbs, fingers, and palms of a therapist's hands, so you can get the exact massage you're looking for. The different zones apply pressure in varying degrees of density, encouraging muscles to release stored lactic acid, kinks, and knots. Not only do they feel great, they also help to increase blood flow and circulation to problem areas, reducing recovery time. With regular use, you can increase mobility, range of motion, and flexibility. Built to last, our solid core EVA foam roller is made from top-grade materials and won't lose its shape over time, even with daily use. Its lightweight materials make transport easy, and its unique design allows you to properly focus pressure on the affected areas. Its compact size also allows you to target specific muscle groups and pain points. Use your roller before and after workouts to see the same benefits as a deep tissue massage, smoothing knots, removing adhesions, and painful trigger points. Users of all fitness levels see the same benefits: relief for sore muscles, sciatica, plantar fasciitis, back pain, shin splints, and scar tissue. The 500-pound rating supports all body types while maintaining consistent resistance, allowing you to use your own body weight to control the massage intensity.
The Acumobility Ultimate Back Roll. This is designed by a chiropractor to be the most effective back roller available. We've got a patented groove and bump pattern here that puts no pressure directly on the spine and focuses all of the release onto the muscles either side of the spine. This provides a deeper release for those muscles without creating the jamming effect on the spine itself that a traditional foam roller would do. Because when you've got a flat surface and you're rolling your back on that, essentially that's pushing up into the spine directly on the bone. That is not what you want. What you want is you want to work the muscles either side. So with these different rows of bumps here, we're able to target the inner paraspinal muscles as well as the outer ones with better precision and better control. The height here, this is 11.5 inches tall, is also an enormous advantage because it allows for better core activation, glute stability as you bridge into your back rolling. So you can safely work the low back on this, much more so than when on a traditional low foam roller, because you can actually engage your glutes, and the curvature, right, is so gentle that it allows for a spread across all these different bumps of the pressure. So you can use this numerous different ways. We are stuck in flexion constantly between computer work, driving, our postural patterns, looking at our phones. We're rolled forward all the time. That is why we made this thing so tall, because the idea here is that when you get onto this, you're able to fully extend over it to get better extension, and this works both as a passive sort of hold position to stretch, as well as better improvement with active mobilization. Because as you roll, you can stop on any specific part of your back, brace, and then specifically work that segment with exact control, while these bumps are pushing either side of the spine into the muscles. So that's the idea of the back roller when used on the back. This also has an incredible effect of working the rest of the body. So this height becomes an advantage when rolling the quads. It's easier to get into position. Rolling the hamstrings, the elevation actually allows you to put pressure into the hamstrings, whereas a low foam roller makes it really hard to even put adequate pressure as you're trying to roll them. You can also very easily get on your side and work up through the lats, back of the shoulder, down through the tricep, and you can do different stretches using the height as an advantage as you go through stretches. For example, you get on your side and you can open up, letting the tricep lift, sinking into here. You can get on your back, brace your core, and then specifically work the upper segment that you're trying to target without this complete rib flare. That sort of control allows you to use this multiple ways to really target what you're trying to release. We made this rated to 1,000 pounds of pressure, which means it's incredibly durable and will not break down. We wanted this to be able to be used by anybody in all circumstances. This is tough molded, non-toxic foam. Okay, it's incredibly durable, and this is designed to last. We made a roller here that can be used multiple ways, used on the back to really, really improve extension and work sore, tight backs and help back pain, as well as anywhere else in the body to really target specific trigger points as you work through active range of motion. you.